Today I want to look at the 7 subjective pronouns with you. Pronouns replace nouns in order to avoid repetition. Subjective pronouns are personal pronouns that replace persons or things as the subject of the sentence. For example, my name is Jonathan and I was born in Australia. The personal pronoun I replaces Jonathan as the subject. I was born in Australia. What are the 7 subjective pronouns? The 7 subjective pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Please note, subjective pronouns are personal pronouns with unique characteristics of number, person, gender, and case. Number identifies the persons as singular or plural. Persons identify the person speaking, the person spoken to, and the person spoken about. Gender identifies personal pronouns as masculine, feminine, and neuter. Case shows the way personal pronouns function in sentences. They either function as the subject of the sentence or the object of the sentence. However, for this lesson, we will only be looking at the subjective case. Students often ask, what is the difference between first, second, and third person pronouns? I tell them to remember this. The first person pronoun is the person speaking. The pronoun I and we are first person pronouns. For example, I am a student at the local school. I here refers to the person speaking. We are students at the local school. We here includes the person speaking. So the first person pronoun is the person speaking. The second person pronoun is the person spoken to. The pronoun you is a second person pronoun. You are a student at the local school. You here is referring to the student I am speaking to, and it is singular. You are students at the local school. You here is referring to the students I am speaking to, and it is plural. So the second person pronoun is the person spoken to. The third person pronoun is the person or thing spoken about. The pronoun he, she, it, and they are third person pronouns. He is a student at the local school. He here is referring to the student I am speaking about. She is a student at the local school. She here is referring to the student I am speaking about. They are students at the local school. They here is referring to the students I am speaking about. It is a very popular school. It here is referring to the school I am speaking about. So the third person pronoun is the person or thing spoken about. Remember, the 7 subjective pronouns always function as the subject of the sentence. For example, our family is on holidays and we are having a great time. We replaces family and we is the subject of the sentence. We are having a great time. When learning the 7 subjective pronouns, it is advantageous to have a chart like this one so that you can see all the features of the personal pronouns in one place. If this lesson has been helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.